Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A2x, and today I will show you how we can capture a screenshot on this phone. Now to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture. I will be using home screen as the example for this, and home screen is already open and visible on my screen. Now, whatever you will be trying to capture, just make sure it is visible on your screen right before you capture the screenshot. And to capture it, all you need to do is hold your power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have the sound along with the pop-up. Now it did lag a little bit, but whatever. So I'm gonna select got it. It also will give us a notification that we can capture a screenshot with a 3-finger swipe down. So let's just demonstrate that as well. And you can see it does the same thing. Now we have two options. We have scroll and share options. Scroll can be utilized in content that can be scrolled down. So for instance, Instagram, where you can just permanently keep scrolling down, you can permanently keep capturing a longer version of this screenshot. Now once you have captured your screenshot, you can find it under Photos, and it will be visible on the main Photos tab as the newest one, but you can also go into Albums, where it will be neatly organized into a Screenshot tab, which also has screen recordings as well. But you can see it right over here. That's the 2 screenshots that I have just captured. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.